Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangaraju. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Now I am going to explain in exercise 1.2, seventh question. Locate root 10 on number line. We have to locate root 10 on number line. To locate root 10 on number line, we have to remember the Pythagoras theorem. We have to remember the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, here angle is 90 degrees. So I can write like this, here angle B is 90 degrees. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. Here AC is hypotenuse. So in Pythagoras theorem, what he told, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is the Pythagoras theorem. You have to remember this theorem. It will come in 1 marks or 2 marks. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. In a right angle triangle, here angle is 90 degrees. The square of hypotenuse means AC square is equal to AB square. Sum of the squares of the other two sides, AB square plus BC square. So this is the formula. He told like this. By using this theorem, we can find the root 10. Here, in hypotenuse, here I have to get root 10. Here root 10 is there. By writing which numbers here, I can get root 10. If I write here 3, here 1 means square of AB. AB means this number. Here ones. AB square means 3 square. 3 square plus BC square means 1 square. 3 square is 9. 1 square is 1 is equal to 10. That is hypotenuse. Root 10. AC square. So AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square. That is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. Root of 3 square means 9 plus 1, root 10. This work is rougher. For your idea only I am telling. Okay. So here root 10 is came. So we have to find root 10. So to get root 10, I have to take here 3, here 1. Here 3, here 1. Okay. To get root 2, this is root 10. To get root 2 means what I have to write here? Here 1, here 1. Here 1 square means plus 1 square under root. That is equal to 1 square means 1 plus 1 root 2. So to get root 2, I have to write here 1, here also 1. We can select the numbers like this. You have to remember that time. In this question, we have to find root 10. Root 10 means I have to write 3 here, here 1. 3 means 3 square, 9 will be there. And 1 square means 1, 1 plus 1, 10. Under root, here square is there. It will go right side means it will become square root. So square root of 10. So in this way we can do. So to locate root 10 on number line, first I have to take the number line. This is number line. Here 0, here 1 is there, here 2, here 3, like this, 4, 5, so on. Here 3 centimeters. This is each 1 centimeter. You have to take, in your notes you have to take like that. This is 1 centimeter, second centimeter, third centimeter, 4, 5, 6, From here, this is 4 centimeters. Here, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Like this, we have to take. So here 3 means I have to take up to here. So this is the point O. This is A. Here 3 is there. I have to take 3 centimeters. So here, take a protractor, make 90 degrees, draw a line, vertical line. Means here angle is 90 degrees. Here also the angle is 90 degrees. In this line, I have to take 1 centimeters. You take 1 centimeters and cut like this. So this value is 1 centimeters. Because already you have pre-calculated here. Here 3 centimeters, here 1 centimeters. So you take 1 centimeter here. Here units are not given, root 10. So this is our point B. So take OA is equal to 3 units. From here, mark a point B such that AB is equal to 1 unit, 1 centimeters. So draw an arc with center A and radius equal to 1 unit. Draw an arc. Join these two by using scale. By using scale, join these 2 points. By using scale. So this OP value is, already I told you there. This is the entire value is 3, here 1. Root of 3 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 9 plus 1, root 10. So OP value is root 10. You have to do like this only. So no need to write here like this. Simply you have to write root 10. Okay? Root 3 square in triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degrees according to Pythagoras theorem. OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA means 3 square plus AB means 1 square. 3 square 9 plus 1 OB square. OB is equal to root 10. Here square it will go that side means it will become square root. So OB is equal to root 10. So here this value is root 10. By taking compass, you can down this is like this. So this value OC is from diagram, from number line or from number line, OC is equal to 1 point, OC is equal to 3.1 units, 3.1 centimeters. You can do like this. Okay. So next question is locate root 2 on number line. Second one, locate root 2 on number line. So similar way, what we did in previous question. Here also same. Here to get root 2, here I require root 2 means here 1, here 1. 1 square means 1, 1 square means 1. Root of 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So root 2 is there. So in the same way I am doing. This is number line 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Here I am putting a point because here 1 centimeter. From here I am drawing perpendicular line. I am drawing the perpendicular line. From A, this value is also 1 centimeters. I am cutting here with arc 1 centimeter, that is B. So here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeters. Joining these two, this value should be equal to root 2. Why? Here the angle is 90 degrees because this OAB is perpendicular line. So in triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degrees because I am drawing the line like this only. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OB square is equal to OA means 1, here 1. 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1. OB is equal to root 2. OB is equal to root 2. So, to locate root 2 on number, then what you have to do? You take 1 centimeter here, draw a perpendicular line. On this line, mark B such that AB is equal to 1 centimeter. With take 1 centimeters radius with compass, place point here and draw a line like this, mark point P. So join OB. Since OB length is root 2. So with compass, you project this line up to here, to number line. So this value will be 1.4 roughly. From number line, the value of root 2 is equal to 1.4 approximately. Approximately. So this is the way. So third question is locate root 3 on number line. This is also same procedure, but here little bit difficulty is there. To get root 3 A, B, C. Here 90 degrees. Here I have to get root 3. Here to get root 3, what we have to write here? We have to write, if I write 2 here, 1 means 2 square means 4, 1 square means 1, 5 will be there, but I require root 3. So to get root 3 here, 2 not. If I write root 2, then it is okay. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB means root 2 square plus BC means 1 square. This square root will get cancelled, 2 plus 1, 3. So AC is equal to root 3. Answer is K. So to here to get root 3, this value should be equal to root 2, here 1. But in number line, we don't have root 2 value. In number line, here 0, here 1, here 2, here 3, like numbers are there. But we don't have root 2 on this number line. In which manner we can find? This is two sums, not one sum. First I have to find root 2. After that root 3. Already you know very well to find root 2. Just previous question we did. So to get root 2, here take 1. This is A. Here B. This is B. A, same procedure what we did in previous question. Take 1. This is 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeters. Here angle is 90 degrees. This is OP. So this value root 2. See how it came root 3. In triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. According to Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA means 1 square plus 1 square. OB is equal to root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 2. So this value is root 2. Okay. Then in which manner we can do? From here, take a perpendicular line. Draw a perpendicular line to OB. This line is making 90 degrees. This angle should be 90 degrees. So here B, here C. Here C. So join these two. This is root 2 value. Here root 2, here 1. So here 90 degrees. The length of BC is 1 unit. So here root 2, here 1. Root 2, 1. So in triangle OBC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B 90 degrees. According to Pythagoras theorem, OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. OB means root 2 square, BC means 1 square. This is OC square. OC is equal to root of, this square root will get cancelled, 2 plus 1, 3, OC value. This value is root 3. So from number line, take a compass with center O, draw this OC to on number line. Approximately this value is 1.7. From number line, value of root 7 is 1.7 approximately. So to find root 3, this is a lengthy process. We have to do 2 times. Same question 2 times. Here take 1, here 1. Root 2 value will come. Again, on this root 2 line, take a perpendicular, draw a perpendicular line. On this line, take 1 centimeters. Here required is 1 centimeters. So according to Pythagoras theorem, OC is root 3. So this length of OC projected on this number line by using compass. With center bounded is equal to OC, draw an arc on this number line. So this number is D. So value of root 3 is 1.7 approximately. So this is the question. If you like my teaching, then subscribe to the channel and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.